Mm-mm. Hello friends, so today my husband is teaching me how to make one of his childhood food. It's called Aluy Talkmai with shredded papaya. He hasn't eaten this in years and I have not tried it, or I have not, it's my first time hearing about it. Yep, so we went and got the ingredients and now we're making it. So see if you know the food slash recipe. Okay, now the shredding of the papaya is done. We're gonna have to put salt in it to take out the juices because the juices that they have are like itchy. So you have to do that first so that you won't have to, your mouth won't get itchy. Yeah, so let's do that. I got my soup with grinded papaya. And I know I said it's been 1 month.
Mom,
Yes.
don't play with the food.
I'm not playing with my food. I'm eating my food. Anyways, it's been a month that I quit, temporarily stopped eating rice. But I was waiting for the right food to come to eat rice. I have my plate of rice. It's a small bowl. So we take the rice, dip it in there, so you have some soup. This is coconut soup. Here's my crab. Oh my god. I think it's been 7 years, 7 or 8 years I don't know the coconut soup part, but I've eaten crabs here. It's so good. The only one not eating this is Kale. Okay, this part, this is very Madam Dem. Use this end there.